Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Friday. This is Darlene. I'm getting ready to make a bracelet using this big leather bead that I made. I initially used this for, I think I made a pendant out of it and then made a necklace. But since I still had the necklace, guess what? I am going to recycle this bead. And then this is what it looks like. It's nice soft leather, and I went ahead and wrapped the leather with some aluminum wire, 18 gauge wire, and then some little small stones. And then I am going to be using, I call these my tie-dye 25 millimeter wood beads, and these are hand painted by me. These are on the website. So I'm going to be using some of these. I'm also going to be using some of the 10 millimeter hand painted beads. These are also on my website. And there will be a link in the description below if you are interested in any of these beads. So this is how we're going to get this started. We're going to start with this. And then I think I want to start with one of the 10 millimeter beads to get us started. And I already like that. And you guys know I like big, chunky. I do like the smaller bracelets too, but I really like the way that big, chunky beaded bracelets come out. And then we're going to go ahead and use a couple of these small beads right here. And I've been on watch ever since yesterday, day before yesterday. That is really pretty already because there's a fire that is south of where I am, near the East Lake area and all down by Chula Vista. And I'm not very far away from there. And it's amazing how you can watch something on the news and it is not near you at all. And then the next day, oh, I like that, but I think I'm going to go with the big beads right now. And then the next day, that same situation is nearing you. And I'm hoping and praying they'll be able to, stop it before it can go any further. I had said in that other video, a lot of this seems like it's not just, I don't want my video to get, that, because they good for, that is so pretty. Because YouTube is good for, deleting a video when you say certain things in the videos, but I don't think these fires are just by happenstance. I think there's a whole situation that's going on around them because it's almost like too strategic the way that they're popping up. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Already gorgeous. And then we're going to use a couple more of that. And it does not take very long to make a bracelet, especially if you already know which beads you're going to use. And I like the way this looks already. Very pretty. Definitely something I would wear. And these are 10 millimeter beads. Just going to go ahead and use my spacers. So I've been paying close attention. Not that I don't always pay close attention to the news. I do watch news, like snippets kind of here and there. I try not to taint my mind with, everything that's on the news. I do watch to find out what's going on, but I don't just consume a bunch of news. I don't think that's healthy at all. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Just really pretty. Wow. Really, really pretty. The wood beads are very lightweight, and the focal bead is too. That's really pretty. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put another. that's really pretty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think I can get away with one more of the bigger bead because when I tie it, it is going to pull it. So let's see. That is really, really nice, right? Let's see. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. Look at that. We're going to go ahead and tie it down, and I'm going to pull it nice and snug. We're going to tie it nice and snug, and I like to wrap it a couple of times because I like to build up a really big knot. And the reason I like to build up the big knot is so that I can pull the knot inside of the hole, and then that way the knot fits very snug in the hole, and it lessens the chance of the cord coming loose. Well, Darlene, it don't take all that. Well, it takes all that for me. I don't like to use glue or burn the ends. So if that's what you do, that's good stuff. Pick up my bad habits. So that's 1, 2, and then go 3, and then the last one we'll just do it 1. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut off the extra. And then that's a nice big hole we've built up, and then we're gonna pull that right inside of that big bead. And then this is what we got. This is gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. This can be worn, but you got to really be a queen. I mean, you just got to be a person that is very artistic in your dress, very bold, and you just almost kind of loud, but a calm loud. This is really nice, and I know some people too that will definitely wear this. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures. I'm gonna actually put this on a couple of the websites, and then I'm gonna take a couple of pictures and send this particular bracelet to a couple of people because I know they would definitely want this one. This is gorgeous, right? Very, very pretty. And this was a really quick video, about 8 minutes. It don't take a whole lot to make. This is so pretty. I'm like, oh my goodness. I think I kind of topped myself with this one. This is gorgeous. I really, really like this one. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. You guys be safe out there. I hope you got a really good, busy weekend planned, hanging out with the family or just relaxing or doing whatever it is that you feel like you want to do with your time. But I will be creating this Friday. I'm happy that it's Friday. I've been extremely busy, which is good stuff. And then also paying attention to the news, hoping that they will contain, that situation that's north of me. So not north, but south of me. So hopefully they'll get that pretty much organized and in order. But anyway, oh, I like this. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.